How to compress video without losing quality. Everyone open a web browser. Go to the HandBrake website. Select Download HandBrake. Left-click the HandBrake installer to begin the installation. Select Yes. Select Next. Select Next. Select Install. Select Finish. Everyone open the HandBrake app. Select File. Select the video you want to compress. Select MP4 as the format. Set the frame rate to same as source. Choose where to save the compressed file. Enter a file name. Select Save. Select Start Encode. After compression, my video is only 27 megabytes. The original video was 448 megabytes before compression.